Eat Japanese oldest doctors warn, just eat these every day and you will live to 100, not what you think. What if the secret to living past 100 wasn't a miracle pill, expensive treatment, or even intense exercise, but something far simpler, hidden in plain sight? Half a century ago, a young cardiologist in Japan stumbled upon something that would change the way we understand health and aging forever. In 1975, on the island of Okinawa, Dr. Makoto Suzuki received an unusual report. There's a 100-year-old woman out in the fields, cutting grass with a sickle. He didn't believe it until he saw her with his own eyes. A centenarian, working under the hot sun, strong and full of energy. That moment sparked Dr. Suzuki's lifelong mission to uncover why Okinawans live longer and healthier than almost anyone else on Earth. At the same time, another Japanese scientist, Dr. Yoshinori Osumi, was making a discovery inside the human cell. He uncovered autophagy, a natural process where the body cleans itself, burns fat, destroys cancerous cells, and slows aging. But here is the twist. Autophagy only switches on when the body is given enough time without food. And in modern life, constant eating keeps that switch turned off. Back in Okinawa, Suzuki noticed something incredible. People in their 90s and 100s weren't just surviving, they were thriving. At 95, they still farmed. At 100, they danced. Their blood vessels were cleaner than people half their age. The secret? An ancient practice called Hara Hachi Bu, stopping at 80% full. By eating just a little less, they gave their bodies the pause needed to trigger autophagy. Think of it like this. Your body is a factory. If shipments of food arrive non-stop, workers are too busy to do maintenance. But give them a break, and the night crew steps in to clean, repair, and rebuild. Dr. Shigeaki Hinohara, who lived to 105, was living proof. He ate small meals, stopped eating early in the evening, and fasted for 16 hours each day. Because of that, his body's self-repair systems stayed active. Even at 100, he was still seeing patients. At 102, he flew to New York to lecture. He worked 18-hour days with boundless energy. His advice? Every night, give your body time to clean itself. Dr. Hiromi Shinya, who examined over 300,000 human intestines, saw the same pattern. People who ate processed foods had short, damaged intestines. Those who ate natural, traditional foods had long, clean, youthful intestines, and they all allowed their gut to rest 14 to 16 hours a day. That window of rest was when the body detoxed, healed, and regenerated. Here's the most surprising part. Autophagy is strongest in the hours just before you wake up, but constant late-night snacks, sugary breakfasts, and endless grazing shut it down. By contrast, Okinawans naturally fasted 16 to 18 hours, giving their bodies the perfect chance to rebuild. And their food choices? Purple sweet potatoes instead of white rice, bitter melon, seaweed, tofu, colorful vegetables, foods rich in antioxidants and nutrients that repair at the cellular level. Even their tea, green tea and jasmine, helped prevent cravings and kept cells young. Dr. Hinohara himself began each day with vegetable juice and a spoonful of olive oil, gentle fuel for the body without spiking blood sugar. The key lesson from these doctors is simple. Timing matters more than quantity. It's not how much you eat, but when you eat. Eat earlier. Stop before you're full. Give your body the silence it needs to heal. Here's a 4-week plan to try.
Week 1. Eat until you're 80% full. Week 2. Extend your overnight fast to 14-16 hours. Week 3. Start mornings with vegetable juice or tea. Wait 20 minutes, then eat lightly. Week 4. Focus meals on vegetables, purple sweet potatoes, seaweed, tofu, lean protein, with spices like ginger, garlic, and turmeric. Within a week, you'll notice better sleep and more energy.
After a month, your skin clears, your mind sharpens, and fatigue fades. Over time, your immunity strengthens, your joints feel lighter, and you begin to look younger than your age. Even now, in his 90s, Dr. Suzuki continues his research. Dr. Osumi's work on autophagy has transformed medicine worldwide, and Okinawa SS elders remind us that longevity doesn't come from modern drugs or high-tech treatments. It comes from timeless, simple habits. Eat early, eat light, and give your body time to regenerate. One small change, like ending dinner earlier, can awaken your body's hidden healing system. And as the Okinawan elders show us, it may be enough to add decades of health and happiness to your life. If you believe in this power, type yes in the comments. Like this video, share it with your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing health secrets.